Hello friends, some DIY hydrating face masks which you can do at home for nice moisturization. The first one is avocado and honey. It deeply hydrates the skin, especially mashed avocados, very good for dry and sensitive skin. Secondly, you can opt for oatmeal and yogurt if you have a combination skin because it helps to soothe and moisturize your skin. Thirdly, there is cucumber and aloe vera mask, which is very good if you have acne prone skin because it can replenish the lost moisture, yet it doesn't cause oiliness of the face. The next one is honey and rose water mask. It's good for any skin type, so you can try it at home and get beautiful skin. And finally, banana and coconut. That is a good combination if you have dry skin and a more mature skin. A mashed banana with some coconut oil can be helpful. Most importantly, please ask your doctor which one is best suited for your skin type. If you don't know your skin type, not more than 15 minutes of application. Thank you.